well if you win, right? Because his elo is lower, it will naturally rank up better. I actually thought he was Nova 1. I didn't know I didn't even realize he ranked up to Nova 2. Oh my goodness, those. Oh! Ew. Ay, they're different. Oh! I'm so bad. Oh yeah, Taeyong, did you change your gun? Oh no, he has connection issues. Taeyong, are you alright? Nope, definitely has connection issues. Oh, he went flying, buddy. Ooh. Oh no, it's Taeyong timed up.
Okay, I don't know what the fuck happened.
What happened?
My dear man.
Yeah, I know you crashed, yeah.
The Wi-Fi suddenly stopped working.
Are you using Ethernet cable or wireless?
Oh, Wi-Fi.
I highly endorse Ethernet cables. It will
Oh,
change
I
your
saw.
life.
Oh, because I'm in isolation right now, so my PC has been moved inside my room.
Oh, wait, so you're not in your room?
Oh no. No, I'm in my room.
Gentlemen, the game has started. Because the game has started. I think it's B. It's B. It's B. Oh, it's A. The hell?
I'm doing each shot.
Wow. Ooh. On the side. Let's get this guy. It's 52.
One A long.
Wait.
Never mind.
Nick, you're hearing A shot and only now then you're A shot. The hell?
No. I don't.
You really cannot multitask. I just realized.
Fuck me.
It's either you breathe, either you shoot, or you talk to us. It's none of the together. Oh yes, you still have the cortex, It's nice. Oh, the traitor! Oh yes, skins make me a better player. Hell yeah. I missed the timing, so I'm gonna die.
Oh my god.
They don't.
Get
They
fuck
don't.
A long.
They don't flash out A long. So I turn around hoping they'll flash, but they don't. I got my kind of too. Yes. Yes, is your mic working?
Hello.
Oh, okay, now it is.
Yes.
This mic.
Are you using a headset mic or?
Hello? Yeah, I'm still using my headset mic.
Oh, I think you should get a new
What?
headset, man.
Nah, the mic can be changed one, but it's just that you need to go buy from Razer. I haven't been going.
Why not just get a separate mic, like from the? I mean, cause
Nah, it's too much, man.
Down with Razer. Logitech is supreme.
That's true though.
Yep. I
Wait.
can't fucking see where are they. They are all B. They are all B.
Oh, yeah, obviously, no wonder. Oh, sorry, Taeyong, I just fucked you up.
They're all inside side already.
Okay. I'll try to get the boost up, but it's not really working.
Lol.
You got one? How?
Doo-dun, doo-dun. Oh my god, how did I not see this bugger?
Don't let him out. Don't let him out. Die together.
GG.
Alright.
Yes! That was a round worth. Not bad for a semi-buy. Dude, I've been equaling for so freaking long. I should buy something. Okay, that's enough. Then I'm gonna go pit. Oh, our green's carrying us, bro. 26977262446. Oh, flashed out long. I'm not fucking dead.
Oh, my eyes. Me eyes.
Oh, you got kills! Oh my god. That's like insane.
You wanna go or not, Nick? If not, I will go.
There's a farmers here. Oh, okay. Oh, how did we?
Yeah, I was hiding the smoke, man.
So criminal. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, my viewers dropped because the people are not I think if I go B, I think it's gonna be more successful. They either rush A or rush B. What? Oh, long.
Oh,
A again.
oh, what, 88 in 3.
Ah. Trash, I'm trash.
There's one more LT! The hell?
Haha, bitch.
Last see the LT one.
LT,
Yeah, but he probably like upshot or what.
Do they not have the bomb here? What the fuck? Yeah, do they? They don't have the bomb here. What the guy? What
On
the
side.
fuck? Yeah, side.
Ram.
Yeah, it's a shotgun, Jesus. That's it. Come on, man. Oh! Oh! I doubted him.
How? How are we winning? Okay, we should. Okay, we shouldn't lose this, but this got bad. Should I just opt for the fun of it? Oh, fuck it. Not only opt just because I don't care. So sad. So sad. Oh, green is unknown, okay. Oh, they're probably up B or short.
In short, A is kind of quiet. Long is kind of quiet.
Are they walking up mid? Like, 3? Oh, it's B, bro. Oh,
They are B.
quiet B, bro. Wait.
One is low, attack him 92. The other one is at double door. Car, there's one.
Okay.
Stick it, just stick it. Yeah.
Oh? Wait. Do you see all that blood on the wall? I shot him straight and I didn't even tag him.
Oh no, that's me. That's
That-
my revolver.
Did I miss? What? I will check
Yeah,
the
I got
stream.
the kill. Yeah, I got the kill, no assist.
I'm gonna check the stream. I'm gonna check the stream later. I'm very confused. I sumpah I hit him, bro. I didn't register.
Nah, bro. I right clicked his ass.
Yeah, that's how you're so good. There's just people who are either trash very well or like damn bloody good, and you're just one of those people. I don't know how. You make it work. Long.
Yes.
Rotate,
Yes.
please. Rotate, please.
A long, A long.
A long?
Yeah, rotate, please.
Coming. I go short.
Oh. One ram.
Make it my
Oh
ace.
my god, shot.
Is that called ram?
Shot.
I don't remember.
That's not shot, you. What, your calls shot are fucking bad, bro. Trash call out, you know.
My god, I thought he was Rams eh.
That was cross.
Wow.
Oh my god, Nick.
No, Andre. It's a die action.
Ow.
Oh shit, I only can see the bullet.
You can't hear already. Now you can't see. Oh my god.
I can't see no.
I don't understand. Okay, I never got my ace. No, but oh my god. Okay, you're one of those people I just shouldn't trust. I should just mute you.
But I gotta take some. Lame die. I'll take some. Drop the op.
Ooh, the green.
Eeeeee.
Eh.
Whoa.
Oh wow, I'm so blind.
What's that upper T?
Do you think it's scaffolding? Nope.
Yeah, dude. One car. I tagged that guy for 73.
Oh my god, he takes so long to aim. Too late.
Oh.
Oh my god,
my
no.
god,
Op.
He's
Oh,
Deagle.
no. Oh my fucking god, no.
Oh, I greatly appreciate it. Oh wait, I should drop you something. Fuck. Nick, you got the phone?
Nah, who needs? I don't need. I can do it with the USB.
Yes.
Go.
Holy ball sacks.
Why would you say use ball set like that?
So one more A long.
Yeah, a lot.
I don't know how
A-long.
many, but I saw one A long.
Oh my god,
Okay.
shot got what?
Is he up short already? He's up short already.
飛出嚟啦！
A long, careful.
你在说什么呀？
Right, go side. Yeah, got him.
Two at side. Planting.
Do it side, huh?
Yeah,
try.
both at side.
I trust, huh?
Yeah, confirm. It's me. Not Nick, man. Just watch your A shot.
Nick.
No.
Boost me. Boost.
I push you.
Okay.
Nick, it took a bit long to boost him. Ah.
At least kill him. Oh my god!
Oh my god. The guy is equally bad. It's so funny. He jumped down already lah. What are you waiting for? You saw him jumping down.
No time. You have no time. Why are you in denial? Why are you in denial?
Hey, it took a bit long to boost him. Ah.
It's okay, man. Did you order food already, Nick?
I ate it.
Yeah, it must be the food coma.
No, he
Do you not
didn't
see him
eat.
jump down? Or is it your computer is that bad you can't see?
No, I think it's his game sense.
I think it's A again.
Oh wow, mid a lot.
Me a lot. Is they going A shot? Are they going B?
I need help in mid. Why are 3 people on A? Did they cross the mid?
No, they smoke mid.
Oh my god.
Hey! A shot, A shot.
Oh man, you dropped the op. Ah, shit.
Oh, I think it was 70! Oh no, oh no, what am I watching? Ah! Oh yes, I got an assist. Let's go. Okay. PS, sorry if you die, I pick up your weapon. Sorry, I treat everyone equally, randos or friends.
I burned my teammate.
You what?
I burned my teammate.
He's unknown, it's okay.
Oh,
Yeah, they're
one
going A.
No,
They're
you
going
can
A.
snipe them with your M4. Let's go. Oh, spray them, spray them. M4 A1 silencer, just shoot.
There's somebody A shot. Fuck, I was hiding the smoke.
Imagine I get someone with a USP. I should stop baiting and actually help my teammate. Give me a sec. Is that an MP9? Wait.
Oh, what? You actually headshotted him.
Wait, who did I headshot? I headshot the friend! Yo, he's mad, bro! Wait, what?
Wait, how are we playing competitive?
This is not competitive.
Competitive but unrated. Unranked.
Okay.
It's the competitive like game mode. I still don't have a single MVP.
Why is everyone coming A?
Because I wanna get kills. I wanna kill. Oh.
Well.
Oh sheesh.
A shot, A shot, A shot, A shot.
I'm coming.
Got it. Oh, one more. Last.
Minus 50.
Sorry, I flashed you for that. I should have died.
Is that an op? Is that an op? Oh man.
Nah.
Is it responsible for me to leave the house tomorrow once 12 PM is over? Once 12 PM is over?
If you want to be more responsible, just take a swap lah.
You negative already.
No.
No, you won't be negative. It's just that you can leave house.
Yeah.
But do you still feel like shit?
Oh no, the fever phase is gone. The sore throat is like,
Still there.
it just feels like throat cancer at this point.
Choke. Is it B? Yes, it definitely.
Yep.
Okay, sure.
The hills are alive.
Sure thing, boss. Did I not reload? Yeah, we had to try, right?
There's nobody car. Ay! From where, sia? What was that?
Andre?
On side. Side. I mean, you got no time, so you should just run. Run faster. Run faster. I think you're gonna die. Oh wow, okay. He was on side, then I think he jumped out onto like the window to flank you outside. That was smart. That was smart by him actually. You wanna up? You can pick it up for me after I die. Should I be aggressive upper mid? Why not? No, that.
Yeah, sure, here.
Yike. Nice, I actually took hit.
Go A long.
Oh, a scouter actually is mid, no wonder. Nick, can you boost me?
Hey. No, go, faster.
Good, that's a much better boost.
There's still somebody here. No.
One hit.
Can you guys hear where is he coming from?
Oh my god.
Wow!
Oh, one side, one red.
Oh, what the hell? They blocked mid. Wait, I'm coming from behind.
That's from behind. All alone, 1v2 clutch. Last scene on site, last scene shot. One is an oppo on shot, I guarantee you. Nice! Quick! Nice! You got it, you got it. Trust. Just take it. You got it.
Imagine I let go at the last second.
Nah, don't.
Clutch, bro.
Yeah. You know when you
No! The key is F. It's not. The key is E, not F.
I got money.
You know when you actually messed up on the jump, I was like, oh, I actually thought you didn't have it, but it just is. Oh,
Yes, we have grenade.
Oh!
imagine he dies.
Get up.
Don't laugh so hard though.
Oh
yeah. How you do that?
You fucking traitor.
I told you get out already, what?
What the fuck is
No,
jump
all you
shot?
said was,
Ah?
Oh, fuck up! You die. Don't blame me.
Wow, toxic when table above instead.
You just stay in the car, not my dicey, this one.
Hey yo, I'm top table. PS, why are you saving? It's the last round. Man just realized. Mid.
oh no, my ping.
PS, I think your mic is fucked for you.
No wonder I was like saying why no one watching short, then like everyone died to short. So
Oh,
I was talking to myself.
Oh, Ziyong, your ping. People think
What's going on?
you're playing from fucking Europe or some shit. But you're not. You have the same thing as the green. I don't know. I bought the wrong fucking. As I get the P250, right?
Me.
They're all rushing me. Yeah. What the?
Comfort Ziyong.
I'm using. What? You all did already?
Yeah.
I'm on Ziyong! Oh, yeah.
I was changing to my hotspot.
Wait, you're using what's on the face? Yo, that's a mistake, bro.
If I wasn't AFK, I probably would have put on them all. It was so juicy, they were all grouped up there for me.
I like the confidence of this man. I'm gonna die, so good flash. Anyone willing to trade? Oh my god, the green is so fucking bad.
Hello?
Oh, you got him. Wait, from where?
Utaniamo Optimum Prime.
Are you saying this shit?
did you not get a kill? I ran.
What the?
What is this?
Why did you not get a kill?
Behind him!
Oh my god.
Green behind you!
Nice.
Green behind you, it's gonna
Nice.
knife you. Do you not have a freaking mic?
He does.
You,
Why,
you,
you
you saw him! You saw him! You saw him!
You so late.
You're gonna get knife!
后面，
Oh my god! Oh!
喂，臭傻逼，你在做啥
Oh my
？He speaks
god.
he speaks Mandarin.
How you know?
He spoke once.
哎，中国人为什么你这样啊？
I thought China people are very good one.
No,
Have
this
you-
one the China.
Have you seen Sing Ten play?
Hey, I
Why?
didn't know, sia. They blocked out these stops, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a new one of the new updates. Yeah.
That's so BS, bro.
Hey, I think they're pushing. They're pushing A long. Chill. Can we hold A long, please? I have a funny feeling they're gonna rush. That's a hunch.
The fella.
Wait, what the fuck? How did you get a kill?
What? I'm a revolver god, bro. Don't doubt
One push
me.
A long. One push A long.
Oh yeah, let me just push my revolver.
Shot. Whoever is at mid.
Wait, yes, you pushed and you didn't see a single thing. The fuck?
To sneak past the enemy, you must first sneak past your teammates.
Uh, 30 seconds, I don't have time. I was just safe, bro. Unless I die. Not by living my life. I love my life. Hoppa! Just kidding. Hoppa. 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 Hop, 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 hop. Hoppa. Ah.
Probably like car or something like that. Like a car. Psych! High mid. Psych. Shot.
Behind me.
Oh yeah, behind.
Nah. I still don't have a single. So.
Up to this point, all my kills have been revolver only.
And you're catching up to 3, not bad though. This amazing
Yeah.
guns.
And I'll give Chu a handicap, I'll kill him this round.
That's so -1. You think they'll push? I think they will push. Just out of curiosity. They don't push actually. No, fuck that flash. I don't remember how to do the smoke from. How do you do the dot? Oh god. Oh, next AFK. Help. Ninja orange food.
I think he's collecting food.
Oh, he's back.
Ui.
Do you want saving?
Yes. Go. Keep going. You're doing
Oi.
good. You're doing good.
I told you on J, mid shield.
Mish! What the fuck?
Mid shield services.
Oh my god, so good actually. What the fuck? Where?
Oops, I killed my teammate on accident. Ah! Whoa! Whoa!
1 minute. Oh, obvious, your mic was not working for a while.
My mic keeps not working. Then I speak to you, you cannot hear.
Yeah. Where?
Shot.
Oh, Ziyang, you're different, bro.
I'm built different.
Ziyang, you are built different. I don't have on your POV, but you want me to equip that for you?
Nah, it's okay.
You also cannot see what happened.
I'll probably like, don't need to save this, man. I can always do it again.
No, who blocked me?
I don't want this.
One side.
Ah.
Okay.
One side.
Okay, side's clear.
One cross.
Okay, all did. Finally, MVP. Oh wait, I already had MVP.
Anybody wants an AK?
Nah, it's okay.
Oh.
Take it. PS. Okay.
Oh no.
Fuck, my mic not working again.
Oh. Can someone flash me along, please? Let me go in PS first. Let me go in first. Flash like above there. I'm so flash. I got like okay, y'all must flash the moment I'm not inside. The moment I'm inside, it actually affects me. Oh, this is motherfucker. Nick.
What you say?
变成外国人我听我写
Two of them just miss me, and then I miss them.
I mean, you can easily kill them lah, but
Nick, you do realize when the bullets hit the wall in front of you, people are behind.
I don't think his sensitivity is even that low. That's the thing. Oh, the guy is the bomb, bro. Yeah. Oh, get. Oh, are they pushing? Are they pushing? Did I hit the Xbox mode? Yeah, I hit it. Go up. Shot. Move! Oh, thank god. Thank god, kill you. Oh fuck, someone ran.
Fuck, I keep forgetting the key to plant.
Oh my mic.
One shot.
Fuck. Ah,
From small on your right.
What the way?
You don't know. Okay.
What the way?
Nice.
mic. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
You can't.
Just now.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Now can, but I don't know. Mid game might die again.
Let's go. We can do this.
We actually can win. They're legit trash, but we are trash.
I'm playing like trash though, for some reason.
Wait. Okay.
No.
Where's my trading? Hey!
Just told me wait.
What the? Oh yeah, I'm not an entry view guys. Fuck you guys.
Yeah, no.
The fuck take out the knife for fuck?
I...
There's one here B. What the?
There's one op at car.
Oh, you
Oh,
really?
not op.
How much did you take him?
None.
Oh, y'all hit your tier. Oh. Y'all can always molly every fuck shit. Oh, actually going.
Three,
insane.
that was a risky shot.
Yeah, I know. I'm surprised he didn't kill PS bro. PS, you want to see, you can rewatch the stream to see from next angle.
What? What?
No,
I was
you-
too focused.
Yeah, I know. You should rewatch from his perspective. Okay, I'm gonna entry A long, y'all better come with me or smoke the thing or some shit,
I'll
okay?
flash for you.
Flash once only. Okay.
No, I like it a lot of time. Ready? 3, 2,
Yeah.
1. I'm dead. I can't see shit.
Hey, I got two of them. Hey, help lah. Hey, please trade lah. Thank you.
Doo-doo. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Oh, it's A, completely clear. How did I not see the guy?
Hey, he's
Hey, there's
at
one ninja.
Ninja.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's a good opening. That's probably flanking A long. Probably flanking A long. Flanking A long from B. Probably. So this all takes so long confirm usually. He's trying to get exits, so careful, he might be inside A long door already, I'm not sure. Shot! Nice the fool!
Nani? Near drop.
Nope. I hate going B for some reason in this map now. Wait, Ziyang, you're on 16 down. Oh wait, yeah, I keep flying.
Miss you. Let's go.
Oh, you can't jump on the window. Ah.
What? Oh,
Go. Out.
One pit, is it?
Wait, what?
Why did the guy run in front of me? Fucking hell.
I cannot block, yeah.
Flashing cross?
One long.
Where's the bomb? Then can you take the bomb? Take the bomb. I must repeat twice because it's like got ADHD. Okay, care the flank first. Care the flank. They might push. Care A long here. I don't know if they'll push. Oh, please push. Oh, the smoke. Okay. For fuck's sakes.
Too long door.
I thought I killed 154, 168. Oh, I'm so dumb.
It's okay, you can make this a draw, guys.
Jiang, please drop me something. Mr.
I don't have enough money,
S.
Oh. What the fuck? So you got 15,000 and it didn't drop?
What do you want?
AK,
No, I have
AK. I can't, no!
Oh shit, I don't have a revolver.
Shit. Nah. Kepakan pusing. Combat offing. Where? Bit or no? Tech 78 on RAM. 78. Hey, Jesus.
Uh-oh.
This one Tech 78 on site now.
Ah!
What?
What are you doing? Huh? What?
Did already. I don't know, but one on one. All the best.
Shot.
Oh, he's one shot. He's He's looking at the ball. Oh my god, that spray!
How did I not see? Wait, what? I'm confused.
He flashed it. Yeah. We had this round, mate.
Yeah, we had it. Thank you for saying. That was hilarious.
I should have just played like op. My rifle's trash.
Oh my god, that was hilarious. What the fuck? I actually didn't expect that also.